So today I'm going to talk about stock splits, and it's a problem I met in the Wealth Lab when I was backtesting this strategy, and it's quite obvious when it happens, right? Because on the equity graph you're going to get something like this if you had a trade and then there was a stock split. So basically, when you get something like this, you have a look and you'll probably have a profit percentage of something like 50%, and then you go to the chart and you actually see that well this is doesn't look like an ordinary gap, right? Okay, so then just to double check, so that was let's see the symbol. That was HPQ. Oh, that was KO, right? Okay, so then I go and I open the same symbol on a daily graph, right? Just to just to check. Let's see it. And this is how a split will probably look on a daily graph, right? So it's just a big gap, right? And then there's a Yahoo provider, and I would open Yahoo in the same so I can see two charts. And let's open KO here as well. And Yahoo is actually a provider that adapts to the splits, so it's not going to have it. Okay, so next thing you want to do is on a daily graph, you just want to note this date. And after that, there's a website called splithistory.com. So you just go there, enter the symbol, and they're gonna talk about the whole split history, right? So let's just find what happened here, and you just find the closest date that they talk about here, and they say August 13th 2012, a 24,000 share position pre-split became a 48,000 share position following the split. So now we're gonna have to enter that manually into Wealth Lab. That's actually a 1-to-2 split, and the way you enter it into Wealth Lab is like this. You go here and you go process a stock split, and then right here you enter the date, the last date before the split on the graph, and it's this one. And then you just enter 2-to-1. Well, if you have like a weird number, because this doesn't accept decimals, then you can enter any big number divided by any big number. It's going to be just fine. And then you press OK. Never mind that. Stock split processed. It's going to click OK, and let's see if it did it correctly. Looks like it did it correctly. Okay, so now we find 10/08 2002. Oh, did I just put in the wrong date? No, I actually didn't put in the wrong date. I don't know. It was just some kind of a mistake. But if you ever make a mistake with this, you can go and press reload chart history, and it will reload the original chart that was there, and then you have another chance to process the stock split, right? All right, so you can see now that I don't have the big gap here anymore, and it works just fine. And if we go back to the strategy, remember this, right? And this, so I just press go one more time, and it's gonna just redo the whole thing, and hopefully, yeah. So okay, it's probably not a very good symbol to trade on, but at least I don't have this error. So that's how you do it.